Hey Mo.
What do you want?
Mo. Mo.
Sit on it.
Mo.
I said sit on it. Hey, now look, man. Oh shit, man, working This is your fault. Hey, Charlie, my finger! Charlie!
Oh, hey. Oh, man. Day 2, Liverpool. I'm here. It means only one thing. It's gonna be damn expensive from here on out.
God.
These man have been on a budget, but not this time round. We're living the lavish lifestyle on Mo's 11th credit card. We're gonna do this. All right. But before we start off, morning. Hey Mo. Mo.
What you want?
Nothing. Morning.
Get the f out of here.
Morning. But it's gonna be a good day. But it's Tuesday, which means it's vegan day for Vi/vegetarian. But Shaq is always the plug when it comes to this. He's got a little surprise sorted out for us about 7 minutes out from here. We're already running late, but it is what it is.
Nice fault.
Again, I'm here.
Actually,
all right.
your fault. You woke up last.
Yeah, that's true.
So? Yeah, I was on the last one to get ready though. You was?
Oh.
No, I was.
We got delayed because of your hat.
I'll get a
Most moody in the morning. Moody. If he doesn't have his hot chocolate
and pancakes.
or the pancakes.
But they do have pancakes and granola mostly.
All right.
We have ham.
There you go. So
See, I covered all of you, man. I've got all of you, man.
comes in clutch like Kobe. All right. But first location. Let's get on with it. So that was breakfast. It's not often I like to be negative, but that place was...
What? Oh, do you hear what he said?
I'm editing this, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, god damn it. Alright, that's 2 bleeps in there. But anyway, breakfast place. Would I go back there? No. Half the menu was crossed out like a bingo sheet. So I don't know, man. Like it was so much misinformation. We wanted to go there to try the vegan full English breakfast, which sounded amazing, and it said, okay, cool, after 9:30 it will be there. And then she comes in and tells us like, it's after 10 o'clock. By that time we have to go to our next location. But it is what it is. We had an iced tea, cookie for me, granola, toast, everything that you can make at home, but it is what it is. And we'll leave it at that, okay? Negativity done for the day, but onwards to our next location. Lighting, there we go. All right, next up, we are here at the COP Liverpool Stadium, all right? So this one, I don't know how much it's cost us, but nevertheless, this is a must to do in Liverpool. Hopefully taking a W from this one. Let's go inside and check it out.
London 10. Right, yeah, here's one, because I've had other people say Sussex and Essex. Are you from London or are you just from outside of London?
No, I'm from London. East London.
You're a diamond in the rough, mate.
sun is shining on me. But that was the tour. Boys, feedback, comments.
Look, mate, I'll tell you one thing here and one thing now. I don't do if buts and maybes, I do absolutes. And that's fucking absolutely amazing, mate. I left my hat on over there on the track. Wait, not even a track, on pitch. You know what I mean?
What the talking about?
I'm talking
about Formula One.
being
Oh my
emotionally
God.
connected to the game. It's never going to be the same. I know I will never walk alone. Even though I still support us.
Not gonna lie, he made us emotional.
Yeah.
So if you support
Honestly,
Liverpool,
no, jokes aside though, stadium tours, if you've done them, bro, it's not even just about the tour. If you've got a solid tour guide, the whole experience is mad banner. That's what I've got to say.
not gonna lie, every single time we've done a stadium tour, we've came in like with an absolute perfect tour guide. You know, he had jokes, facts, everything, and he even kind of let us give us a bit of time around the stadium, take pictures and stuff like that. So for 20 quid or 20 odd quid, I think it's a definite motive. So come here and check it out.
Hey, vai, bunda. Got him again. That's twice now.
Alright guys, so we just finished having lunch and quite a sporadic one. So I made up for my L by getting a fat W and having lunch at Revolutions, which was amazing. So we got like vegan, everything. You'll see from the B-roll. Now onto our next spot. Oh, the lighting got better. Oof, the lighting's a lot better now. Guys, look. Oof.
When Uncle Shaq vlogs.
An Uncle Shaq. Just see the whole. Alright, now on to our next thing, which is the Beatles story, which I'm not mistaken is actually the largest exhibition in the world.
About the Beatles, by the way, in case I wasn't.
Well, yeah,
That was
about one of the
clarified.
biggest, well, no, the biggest group to come from Liverpool, Beatles.
Hey, vai, is it recording?
Hello. Hold on, it says speaking to the hat. Okay.
Oh, don't breathe on the
Oh,
lens,
bro, you
bro.
ruined the lights! Look at this light, it is. Oh, okay, the light is much better now.
You see?
After you breathed on it. Anyways, guys,
Hey,
so.
wipe that off for COVID, bro.
Yeah, just. Alright, we're Gucci, we're Gucci. Speaking of music, we finished the Beatles Love Story tour and.
What?
Love story.
I think I love it. Oh yeah, you're right. That was Croatia. You know what? I'm just messed up. Basically, we finished the Beatles story. Yeah, that's what it's called. Yeah, the Beatles. We finished the Beatles story. So yeah, that was really insightful. Learned a lot of history.
Yeah.
Hey, Liverpool's got a lot to offer. Not just music and stuff to do, bro. Legends come out of Liverpool, as they say. So so far, favorite thing of today has been the Liverpool. No, the Liverpool tour, man. You can't fault that. You can't fault that.
Shaq and friend there.
All right, there we go. Yeah.
I know I'm a big guy, but you could get me in frame, bro.
Sorry, man.
Don't
My arm
I'll
hurts.
leave it
innit?
step back a little. There you go.
Oh, okay. That
You know
works.
what,
Yeah.
hold on.
Wait, are you just gonna?
There you go.
Okay, cool.
Done deal. You see?
Alright, cool.
Done deal. Now you carry on talking.
Alright, so basically, yeah, the favorite thing of the day was the Liverpool Anfield tour. So, yeah.
Camera to face. Carry
Okay.
on.
Oh, thank you. So yeah, the food was banging as well. We went to Revolutions, all vegan, and Vi's bare happy because he gets to eat vegan food today.
Yes.
So yeah, we're gonna figure out something to do now. Maybe go into town, just catch some sights, whatever.
Nah. We're fucking old. We're going for a nap, and then as soon as we're done
Keep
from
it
the
PG.
nap, I'm editing, it's fine. And as soon as we're done from the nap, and then we're going to head out in the night time. We didn't realise the Champions League game is on tonight, so we're going to try and find a place to watch the game, and we'll go from there. Right, so after a young nap, maybe an hour, 2 hours.
That nap weren't young, bro. That nap was adolescent.
Adolescent. It got us to a new
time.
age. Yeah. The aim of the game right now is to find a place to watch the game. All right. So we are aiming for Riley's at the moment. I think you need a membership over there, so we're gonna go check it out and see if we can manage to squeeze ourselves in to grab a seat. They have snooker and all sorts of things. So pray for us. Let's go.
Do you think looks are important?
Cheers. Nighttime motive in Liverpool. We're here at Riley's Sports Bar, Champions League. We figured it's a great place to catch the match. Went to the stadium earlier, as you saw, but tickets got sold out. And then here you need a membership, but they've got a separate games room with like 13, 14 pool tables. It's a whole vibe. Yeah, they've got like so many different TVs. You can never miss the game wherever you are, right?
Do you think looks are important?
Yeah.
What about money?
And that, my friends, concludes Liverpool as a whole 2-day trip. Now, clearly, I've not been here long enough to develop the Liverpudlian accent, unlike these two.
Well, especially me, bro, because, you know, when you spend 2 days in Liverpool, like, you start to pick up on things. Like, I feel like I was born in Liverpool. Do you know what I mean? Like, if your aunt had balls, she'd be your uncle, but she doesn't.
So she ain't. Why are you laughing?
Why are you laughing,
Why
bro?
are you laughing, bro?
I'm just keeping it real, mate. You're talking about balls and uncles and aunties. It's a bit mad. Like, we're out here just trying to vibes, you know what I'm saying?
Anyway, we'll leave it at that. As always, don't forget to like,
Subscribe,
Share.
comment,
and hit the notification bell.
what the fuck happened on your voice? It's higher and higher.
Really high, I don't understand.
Oh my goodness.
Hit the notification bell.
We rewind.
So hit the
Pack some potions in that. Anyway, we'll leave it at that. Free Man Abroad out. And peace.